Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome to the stream.
Hey guys.
Here we have Lumi, aka Lumitraders, also known as Dasha, here joining us. And this is great. This is our first collab together.
Hello guys.
How are you feeling, Dasha?
Feeling great. I'm so excited. What's
One
business is this? I
second,
guess it's
Lumi.
like 4 months.
Yeah, are you excited? I'm excited. Like
Yep.
the market has dropped off a bit overnight. What are your thoughts on that?
I was shorting yesterday PM session. I was aiming for previous day low level on ES. Unfortunately, we hit this level like today. That's fine. So I closed early at 4 p.m. So I did well. Honestly, have no idea about the bias for today. I'm checking daily chart and it's really confusing to me. Like,
Yeah,
really.
honestly, like this market structure is mad weird. Vote in the chat, you guys, what your bias is, bearish, bullish, or neutral. Yeah, it's like a tricky past couple days for sure, or past couple weeks, honestly. Like since I think a lot of people have had trouble since December started. And yeah, I'm really excited to have you on the stream. Finally, by the way, for anybody that's always been saying like, I don't know, never seen them in the room together at the same time, here we are now. Unless one of us is AI, you never know. Just kidding, just kidding. But yeah, it should be really fun. We're like definitely, I would say, known each other for a really long time, actually. So it's just been a long time coming.
So I scalped guys long on gold, just like over here. I missed this trade. I mean, I saw this trade in real time, but I said like, no, thank you. So I scalped here with 15 micros. That's pretty much it. Idea is we hit yesterday New York midnight open. Price offered reaction with smart money reversal on lower time frame. So we got sweep here. 3-minute order block was confirmation for the sweep, but I didn't enter here, so I trade continuation. So just closed my long with 15 micros.
Would you rather trade continuations or reversals?
Reversals. So I'm not fan of continuations. In my opinion, continuations like always bigger stop loss compared to like where we are about to reverse. So I prefer reversals. So basically candle too.
Yeah, I feel that. And sometimes like it's not like the smoothest of continuation. Sometimes it's not the smoothest way of backup, and they'll come back, take another stop, right? Okay, so let's see. Chat voted 41% bullish, 29% bearish, and 29% neutral. Keep those votes coming in. We'll end it in a couple minutes. I mean, honestly, if we look at the daily on the NASDAQ, we have just had the smallest ranges. I think you have that open right now, the daily. Yeah, it's definitely, the volatility has dried up a bit as the ranges have contracted a lot. I think, yesterday's range is probably less than 200 points. It was 170 points.
Yeah. Market waiting is forum here, but I'm just looking at daily chart here. Like obviously it goes to all-time high, but we got sweep on ES and NQ. So basically candle failed to close above swing high. So at this point, like retracement makes sense. Retracement where I would drop over here. It's from previous week, from last week Monday low over here.
I know. Yeah, I'm thinking that would be a good low to target.
Previous week low.
If we're gonna have an actual, like, I honestly, like, ES did have a candle that closed on Friday. It closed let's see, Monday closed below Friday's low, but NASDAQ didn't. And we just kind of hovered around. So it's just, if we do drop lower, I feel as though it's going to be just like one of those days where, you just rapidly drop lower and then have no retracement. Hence maybe a FOMC, think something like that. All right, let's end this poll here. And we got, let's see, 42% bullish, 30% bearish, and 28% chat voted neutral. Yeah, I think I'm pretty neutral today. What's your bias today?
I have no
Yeah.
bias for indices. I would probably look for short as long as we're sitting below New York midnight open on both ES and NQ. But I would try to wait for market open to see what kind of reaction we are going to get. To be honest, yeah, I would like to look for short right at the open to London low. I think so.
Mhm. Mhm.
SPX, I use SPX often to confirm like bias on indices. So
Mhm.
SPX has equal lows lower. So we are going to open somewhere like where we closed, I guess. So yeah, I believe we are going to take London low today. Maybe right at market open. Um, I'm
Okay.
not sure if I'm going to short immediately because it's really hard to get set up right at the open. But I may, if it's going to trace higher back to OT, maybe. But London low will be my TP if I will short.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes will you like enter pre-market? I feel like I've seen you enter a lot of times like 9 a.m. or
Mm-hmm.
something like that.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Hmm. I typically I like to wait until after market. I mean, I'd rather have like a 10 a.m. reversal or something like that, but
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't
Mm-hmm.
always happen that way. Yeah, I'm also bullish to go back to all-time highs, but it's been pretty healthy to have consolidation up here. Maybe there will be a little drop lower, like you said, to that low
Mm-hmm.
on a weekly
Yeah.
candle, but after that, then I'd want to see fast and furious upside. Um, yeah, we still have like a daily FEG above us on the Nasdaq. We didn't tap into that. Could be like the first target for longs if we were going to go long later on. Let's see here.
Yeah, market can be just garbage until like 2 p.m. Maybe no trade at this
I
point.
know. I know, right? Like those are the toughest times, I think, when you're a trader and the market's just garbage, but it gets to your target, but you got stopped out or you didn't get an entry. Oh man, it's the most frustrating, I would say. All right. We got about 2 minutes till the open, everybody. Make sure you hit the like button if you want to see more guests on the stream. Hit the like button for Lumi. Today we have just FOMC at 2 p.m. So might be a more fast and furious day at later in the afternoon.
I hope it's not going to drop right at the open so I can engage. Because I really would like to see on the low taken on ES.
Yeah, a lot of times when we hope like that, like it just happens.
Mm-hmm.
It just takes it
Yeah.
away from us, doesn't it?
I'm gonna check YM. Do you trade YM? Because lots of people keep recommending me like, Dasha, try YM, but I'm like, I don't know. It's hard.
Yeah, I think like it takes time to get used to an asset. Like people tell me to trade gold all the time. I've been just watching gold for a while, but I just don't have the confidence yet to go actually put like large positions there.
Yeah,
Because I
that's
need to
fine.
gotta be watching how it moves. It moves differently than Nasdaq. All right. Open in 10 seconds, everybody.
Well, let's see. Okay, market is open. Please, we don't need straight move down.
We'll
so
see.
still trying to stay below New York midnight opens here. So it may try to detest New York midnight open, but if it's going to stay below, I may try to short. We will see. Going to trade my Tradify account, Lightning Fund account. It's funny because I got new plan, select plan from Tradify, and I'm like, right now I need to blow accounts somehow, my fund accounts. So I trade bigger size right now on my Lightning Fund account, so trying to bring the super out, and Maybe I will try to blow this right after this. We're gonna
Got
see.
you. Yeah, so it didn't take the London low yet. Are you looking for a specific manipulation?
So ideally, like my perfect world, if it truly wants to drop, I would like go to New York midnight open and short it to London low. It will be ideal, short from premium. But now in the ES and NQ, it's just going to be straight move to London low, as always.
Could be, yeah.
So one trying to short gold and trying to long YM. Okay. That's fine.
All right, all right. Yeah, very mixed chat. 40% bullish, 42% bullish, 30% bearish, and 28% neutral.
Well, we got 30-minute inversion for Wally Gap, of course, the straight mode on, like classic.
Yeah, Nasdaq's dropping.
No, yeah, and Q's about to take London lows. That's bad. Hey, Michael.
Hi, Michael. Michael, you're the next live stream guest.
Well, it's kind of too low for me to short this. No, straight move down.
Yeah, Nasdaq just hit London low. It's rough.
Yeah, painful. SPX has room to go lower. We will take London low in ES as well. Guys, who's trying to short right now? Who's long? Because if someone is shorting, where did you enter? Just interesting. Like, what did you use for entry?
No idea.
NQ, yeah, NQ was way better at this drop.
Yeah, yes, not at London low yet.
I'm going to highlight OT, maybe till you trace first. A good sign for shorts, we sitting below New York midnight open. That's really like always good sign that we are bearish. At least short term bearish.
What did you say?
Normally, when we at the open, I would say AM session, we stand below New York midnight open on both ES and NQ. That's bearish sign.
Oh,
if it's going to break above New York midnight open, it's bullish sign. So right now, it's really like way below this level. It was obvious to take like liquidity, which is London low, but I don't really like. I don't like it to drop without me.
Yeah, totally. I mean, that's the most annoying part. If you plan out something before the open and then it just doesn't give you the entry.
Okay, let's 2-minute chart. Well, we got like sweep. I call this double sweep when one candle sweeps to liquidity levels or more. So like we got 2-minute OB. Obviously, it's not like really smart for me to short over here. I mean, I do want to short from here, but I don't really like a risk reward at this point. Like not worth it. But seems good. I would take this if it wasn't like at market open.
Yeah, it's not even at London low yet. We'll see if it gets there.
It should take this. SPX really confirming this. Like it needs to take this level. If not right now, then FOMC will take this. Like it must take. I'm like 100% confident with this.
Yeah. All right. We're dropping. Where are their next levels?
Just straight move done. But yeah, it offered like opportunity, but not perfect risk reward to try this.
We were almost at previous day low for NASDAQ, actually.
It's about to take this. Where we can drop, let me check daily chart. Like how far we can go. Previous week low level, as said before. SPX took my level that I was discussing before. So right now we're at support level. If it really wants to reverse, it will happen right now or never. Like not today, probably not during AM session.
When did you start trading?
It was June 2022 when I started trading ICT. Before this, I was trying to trade small caps like stocks.
Okay.
For like 6 months. It was hard, so it didn't work for me. Yeah. Then I switched to trade futures and immediately ICT. So I didn't trade any other stuff like small caps and ICT. That's
Okay,
pretty
but
much it.
during
Yeah.
small caps, you weren't trading ICT, right? You were doing some other. Okay. Yeah, it
Yeah,
seems
it
to be
was
the
hard
case.
for me. I remember days when I started trading small caps. I remember days like I bought the course. It was Warrior trading course or something like this. Don't remember exact name. And like he provided screeners so we can check like which stock we can trade today. And I was waking up at 4 a.m. looking for stocks. And obviously it was hard. I wasn't like fast enough to execute this news. Like I need to trade the news when like we got news at 8 or sometimes at 7 a.m., sometimes at 9 a.m. And I wasn't fast enough to engage. And I was like, so this is what we call trading? I mean, like, no thanks. And my husband said, you can try to trade like futures. I was like, futures, what is this? Because I was thinking like there is only like stock market, nothing else. And I remember I was sitting
Oh,
in my
your
chair.
husband gave you
He
the
gave me,
idea.
like,
That's nice.
yeah. He gave me iPad and like said, here's ICT mentorship. I was like, ICT mentorship? What are you talking about?
Oh,
And
wow.
he gave me, 2022 mentorship. And I started watching this. I understood absolutely nothing. Like I watched like 3-5 times, I guess, to understand at
Yeah.
least first lesson. But yeah, after this, I was trading only ICT and I kept trading ICT.
Yeah, man, I remember learning the 2022 mentorship, and that's how I found ICT also. And I remember writing my notes like order block, not sure what this is, confusing.
No, fair value gap. Fair value gap. I was
Later.
like, why he's highlighting random candles as fair value gap? What is it? And like in 2022, I was trying to find some information on Google, and of course, nothing was available, like freely enough. And I was googling what is breaker block. No one was talking about this. What is fair value gap? No one was talking about this. I was like, that's helpful, of course. Thank you. And I was like, nice.
So pretty crazy pump up since we hit that London low level on ES. NASDAQ did not hit that previous daily low. We pumped like 70 points in 2 minutes. Crazy wick there on the 15 right now. Like if you're short, you better be quick about it. Seriously.
Yeah, SPX right now, like at the zone where we can reverse, as I said before. So, but no like signs for reversal. I mean, like no signs for longs yet for me. Just like minor retracement, nothing else. Gonna wait. Just 1 minute chart. By the way, do you use first presented fair value gap?
Do I use which one? First presented?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually I'll mark that out. And we inverted the first presented FEG.
Because I don't use this. I'm not going to lie, I'm not perfect in trading fair value gaps.
You like OBs?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So I was trying to use first presented fair value gap, but it was hard for me. Sometimes we invert this fair value gap, then it becomes like reclaimed fair value gap. I'm like, what should I use? It's hard. I'm not fan of fair value gaps, but other blocks, yeah. Inversion of fair value gaps also great. ICT set 668. Okay, so basically looking for equal highs. Okay. You called before. Good job. Good job. Good job. Are we doing a triple sweep bullish?
Being along if we gave myself a bit of a better entry there. Because it is a massive inversion.
Mm-hmm. Gonna check gold as well. Gold it trades back to discount. Like so far we trade inside the range. Nothing significant happened yet. I don't really like it failed to take a New York midnight open. So we will see. I would try to look for longs, maybe not right now, but later, maybe during Asia, to aim for New York midnight open. We still trade inside London range. Guys, what do you think about gold? You want to see London low taken first? It's really confusing for me right now since, I mean, I closed my long, but still, like, if it really wants to drop, I would try to take liquidity level first. And it could be London high. But it failed, which is quite tricky. You expect to get big sell off, like FOMC, right?
Expect to get what?
Big sell off. Someone said in the chat. I'm just reading the chat.
I don't know. Not really. I don't expect a big sell off. Be nice if it would, but no. Like, look, we hit London low at that inversion. Now we're continuing higher here.
How big range if I want to engage? 13 points. That's a lot. For stop loss. Oh, okay. Yeah, ICT said he wants to see, at least anticipate to get equal highs on NQ. For example, today SPX was really like great confirmation for me that we should take London low, and if it's really wants to reverse, it will reverse. At least will offer the action. So why I was looking for, I'm going to just talk about SPX because I use this a lot for my trading, and I'm going to explain. So how I use SPX. Normally, I can use SPY, definitely, like nothing wrong with this. I do like SPX because we have gaps. So basically, it closes at 4, opens at 9:30, we have RTH gap.
Yeah.
And yeah, I use these gaps as a point of reversal. And normally, if you just backtest a little bit, you will see how SPX respects OT of these gaps. So basically, when we have a gap, I'm going to highlight like from the close to open OT. oops, not from here to here. And normally SPX expects an OT of this range. See, for example, here, and it happens a lot, like often, really often. And I use this as my entry points. For example, where I anticipate to get reversal, I see SPX expected OT of RTH gap. I will try to look for long on yes right now. Right after this, I'm looking for like 2-3 minute order block, and I enter the trade on the yes. Aiming for 2R mostly. So, for example, what happened it was on Monday. SPX failed to take a sell side, so basically created equal lows. And I highlighted OT of this range, so basically last move up. I cannot speak today. Last move down and OT here. So we expected OT, and obviously only level that was obvious to me was equal lows. And whereas it dropped a lot to previous the Monday low. On ES, I was like, this means SPX is going to open somewhere like above sell side. And since we're so close to sell side, we will take this level. And on the obvious liquidity level was London low. It's Russian accent, guys. Sorry about this. I cannot improve this yet. OT, it's optimal trading.
Just fine. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I guess your family has pretty similar accent, right?
A little bit. Yeah, somewhat. A little. Yeah, so I can easily understand.
Yeah.
Honestly, I wouldn't even be surprised if Nasdaq goes to 720s. We just swept the sell side, pretty strong inversion. We've been pretty strong here. I think we just inverted on like the 3, the 2. That's what we've been kind of getting these past couple mornings. Drop at the open, and then it grinds its way back up. See if there's any 5-minute FEGs here. No, it's pretty efficient. I feel like I'm in like the 2-minute.
Michael, good job. You called this before this happened. Good job.
Woohoo! Yeah, we just hit those equal highs. Let's see if we get a retracement for more longs.
So maybe minor retracement, and I believe yes needs to retest New York midnight open again. Chart to be different, okay. On SPX, actually, we got confirmation for long. We didn't get this on ES. That's fine. Oh, good job. Yeah, short to London low was great trade. Good job. Thank you, Michael. Wish you perfect holiday as well.
Thank you. Yeah. Happy holidays. Did everyone get their Christmas shopping done?
Not yet. What about you?
Yeah, I just finished up the other day.
Yeah, I need to start as well. I was asking my kids what they want, but they say like, I don't know. I mean, like, perfect, thank you. It's really helping me. It's really sharp on gold, but once again, we're still trading inside London range, so I would try to retrace higher to short if it really wants to drop during FOMC. But since we got straight move down on gold, it's really hard to engage in longs. So probably going to stay away. I mean, I already got like win today, but still, I don't want to get another trade. Trying to pass my Tradify evaluations. It has consistency rule, so trying my best to pass this.
We came back into like a really small 2-minute FEG on the NASDAQ. If we end up inverting again, I might try along, like on the 30-second or so.
Oh, okay, got it. I was looking like for very value gap.
It's either that or retrace back to that first presented FEG.
I wouldn't say like silver is stronger than gold, like someone mentioned in this chat. I wouldn't say so. Feels like there is the same right now.
He is a lot stronger. Yes, is quite strong here.
Mm-hmm. You said SPY targeting 684. Let me compare. Okay, I see. Like basically liquidity level, right? Okay. As I said, like it's really hard for me to long as we're above New York midnight open. So I always wait for the break above and retest to engage and trade.
Yeah, we just hovered right below it on the ES. So let's see. NASDAQ, there's just no inversion on that 30-second that I was looking for.
So nothing good for me here yet. I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, ES has a 5-minute.
I like yes, still bearish in my opinion.
Breaker actually. It's retracing to it right now. But since we made such a huge 15-minute wick, we could have come back into like 50% of that 15-minute wick. I mean, 50%, yeah. Which is back in that first presented FEG.
So someone asked what instrument we trading. I'm going to trade ES chart. So it's ES chart and NQ chart I'm screen right now. It's really tricky right now. See like how close NQ was to previous day low level. Like really a couple of points away.
Yeah.
I hate this kind of situations, to be honest. Always hard to say like
there's somewhat equal lows below. I feel that. ES is being a lot stronger. It came back into its 5 minutes so far, wicked it. Some people might be long versus that 5-minute FEG and breaker.
Someone asked me if I trust option dark pool. I used to use dark pools when I was trading options. I was trying to trade options and small caps. I was using I don't remember the name. Tradeetics. Like their service provides like some data for options, dark pools. I use them these levels as support and resistance levels, but I wouldn't say it's really helpful for me, to be honest. I never tried to use dark pools for futures. So do you use this? Does it work?
No, I've never used that.
Yeah, that's
Nasdaq back in its first presented FEG.
I would like to see NQ taken previous day low. Honestly, like if it closed over here, I could try to short again on an ES below this level. Below
for a midnight short again, even though London low is taken.
Yeah, because I would close ES short once NQ takes previous day low level because I don't have target on ES.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Probably just like scalp. I have no idea about like how far ES can drop today. I mean, previous week low level doesn't look so bad, but maybe it's going to wait for FMC first.
Yeah, it was quite a drop back into that first presented FEG, so sort of waiting to see some more strength from the Nasdaq here.
Yeah. Well, ES tested 50%, but we got the closure below this level. Yeah, I wouldn't say like ES and NQ like really offering great price action since December 1st, but still like for scalps, like yeah, I see lots of good opportunities. Maybe it's not going to be 2R trades, but like 1.5, 1.2R, like yeah. Someone asked what target will be for gold. Like since we trade inside London range, probably London low or London high, depends on setup. Right now it stands at range, like I see it trying to drop. Probably it will be like it's hard to say, but London low, like it's first liquidity level.
I want to see the Nasdaq push up strongly from here. If it's gonna hold, that low.
Also, we got BPR
and ES. ES holding that 5-minute FEG looks pretty decent. So Nasdaq closes above this 1-minute bearish FEG, 30-second, which it looks like it's starting to. I think I'll try long.
I'm still flat.
I'm gonna try that long on the Nasdaq.
I guess they cannot see your
My stop is gonna
screen.
be. Well, I will share in a second. I have to manage my position.
Okay.
Just entered, but stop is gonna be that low that we just formed.
It's 10 a.m., so let's see what will happen after 10. So I'm totally
I
fine
have
to
a
wait.
good feeling about it. I don't know. We'll see. Though.
Yeah. I mean,
Needs to hold this 30-second.
Just a bit choppy for me for these longs. If ES is going to break above New York midnight open, I will consider longs as well. I just hate to enter longs below this level. So let's see if it's new flower candle, guys. New RD candle. Let's see where we are going to get manipulation first. What platform do you trade? If you're asking me, I trade Project X and Ninja Trader.
All right, let's see if I can share my screen here.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I'm in the longs. I'm betting on this as being a higher low essentially in the Nasdaq. Completely filled this, came back, had a nice inversion there on the 1 minute and the 30-second. Well, let's see on the 1 minute, did it close above? Yeah. So I'm thinking that we have more upside. There's smooth highs here too.
Someone asking me what time frame I prefer to use for my trading. 3-minute chart and 5-minute chart for gold.
It'd be nice to break some more highs. See the 10 a.m. opened. We already swept a little bit below the 10 a.m. candle.
Mm-hmm.
So if we're going to be bullish, we should start seeing more upside.
Yeah. Very bullish sign if it's going to break above New York midnight open, as I mentioned before. This is where I will start considering longs as well. So I prefer to be like not first buyer. I'm like conservative. I will wait for like confirmation, like strong confirmation.
Got you. So in a way, though,
yeah.
it's like a continuation on a lower time frame, though, but a reversal, I guess, on a higher time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. It'd be nice to close above this high on Nasdaq. Let's make a new higher high, folks. See the last 15-minute candle. We did come back to like 50% of this wick essentially, and we completely filled these gaps that we left. So that's why I'm feeling okay about having the stop there. And ES also looking pretty strong now. The 5-minute gap there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Get a little break above a high would be nice.
Yes, trying to respect 50% as well.
Midnight open.
But still below.
Get back above. It'll do it soon.
Playing games. Normal picture. We look like sisters, someone said. Yeah, lots of people keep saying this, I know.
That is funny.
Well, I'm still flat. I like absolutely nothing. Like, really that forced to try. It's even, like, gold even garbage right now. I guess, yes, we are the same age.
Be nice to see some big push in the NASDAQ.
Come on, NQ. Do something, please.
Okay, we've just broke a high. It's a good sign.
Yeah. Also, NQ balanced hourly, not hourly, 1 minute BPR. So pretty much where you entered, which is nice. Well, I guess trying to break above New York midnight open, finally.
I think I can do it now. Let's see. There are a bunch of smooth edges, yeah. Someone said in the chat. I mean, it's what I got this up here. CES. Got some smooth edges. Somewhat. You need to see it break above midnight open here. And yeah, so I'd like this 15-minute close screen. Still have 7 minutes left in it.
Yeah, 15 minutes looks looks like ugly right now.
I know.
YM just tested 4-hour fair value gap. So we just entered this fair value gap on YM.
Yeah, for NASDAQ to continue, hold above 930 open, just rebalance this 30-second here. Would be nice.
By the way, I have a question. When you normally move your stop loss to break even, like for example, after taking partial or once you up like 1.5 R or so?
Like a partial. It's not always like 1.5 R or something like that. It's more like structurally, I'd say. Sometimes I'll move it up like to a higher low or something like that. But yeah, I think I want the last 15 minutes high to get taken first. So I would wait until this high gets taken. So if NASDAQ makes a new high session, then I'll move my stop loss to break even.
Come on, yes. Can you please break above New York?
Yeah. At it, right at it. It's not breaking above it yet. Again. I mean, NASDAQ midnight open is also where those smooth highs are pretty much. So you got to see it through. Gots to see it through, my guy. It's 5 minutes wildin'.
Yeah, it's 10:10. Nothing happened. I mean, I don't really see setup yet to engage. I don't trade in Q because back in August I had like really red months in August, and I was trading NQ, and I psychologically cannot force myself to trade NQ right after this, so I switch on gold and ES. But yeah, ES
Yeah,
offered
it's a
nothing.
killer asset for sure. Like if someone had just longed on the 5 there, they would have been chilling. So I'm gonna have an alert when ES hits that high.
NQ is too stressful for me.
We love stress.
Yeah, if it's not enough stress in your life, guys, trade NQ.
Makes you feel alive.
Mm-hmm.
Now, like if we get above this high, I'd put my stop at break even.
Mm-hmm.
Just soon the next 15-minute will open pretty much there.
Come on, ES. Yeah, I believe ES really trying to break above New York midnight opens. Like should be nice long on NQ at this point. Like nice move up.
Just gotta tell it to push. Like just do it. Just do it. Anyway. Nothing new for me. I mean, I've always been, every time I enter a trade, it's always like 20 minutes of back and forth. I mean, it's up a little bit. It's like up 0.5 R or so right now. We'll see how this goes.
So so far,
Yeah,
system
oh
is
my
one.
God, yes, again, didn't get it back.
Yeah, see,
New York
did not close, right?
I
What a
mean,
scam!
Market's a scam.
I really feel like NQ just feels a bit more bearish, and ES feels a bit more bullish. And at this point, like, what to trade? Mm. I guess my concern on NQ is previous day low level. It felt to be taken like really by 3 points.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much if we get back above the 50s, I'll put my stop at break even there. Otherwise, I'm still going to hold.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The 650s area.
Yeah, when I see the picture like this, like I cannot long this. Yes, like really keep sweeping New York. Like, can I say like sweeping New York midnight open? It doesn't want to close above this level. Just do something, please.
I feel like this happened yesterday, the longs, though. It was really
I was
slow
trying,
like
yeah.
that. It was
I was
really like wild.
garbage, yeah.
It
I was
was
looking for
like
short,
I took
but
short.
yeah,
I took a short.
it did
Like
not play out,
10-50
right?
macro, it like bamboozled me for sure.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see. Let's see. Can we get back above the 650s? Can ES finally maybe get some sort of bid here? What does chat think? Are we good or are we cooked? Are we cooking or are we cooked? I really, yeah, if I'm looking at the 15, right? If we get back above this 15-minute candle, I'm going to put my stop and break even. We already retraced like 50%, 50%, and I'd want to just be part of a distribution at that point. So we'll see. See what happens.
Gold approaching London low. Okay.
Come on, bro. Break above this 5-minute and you're in the clear. You're good.
I believe on the ES longs, someone asked me in the chat, is going to
Do
be
it.
above New York
Can you
midnight
do
open.
it, NASDAQ? Can we do it?
Yeah, try.
We're almost there. Get back above 930 open. It'll be good. We pause at 930 again. And ES pause at midnight. Pretty much got almost there. I'm gonna put my stop at break even now.
Yeah, that's smart.
I just don't want. I want this to be the low, like it's the lower, higher low to the left of it. So I feel as though now it should be good if it's gonna break higher.
Mm-hmm.
So close to it. We're really close to the 50s. Let's go. Let's get there. Slow market for sure. All right, all right. Can we curl up?
ES trying to break New York midnight open.
I know if you just open, I haven't like open on the 5 and it's just wicked it how many times? One,
Yeah.
2, 3, like 4 times. Is it 5th time's the charm at this point? I don't know. All right, yeah, stops at break even. Let's see how we go here. Now it's like pausing, hovering around that 930 open. You know, we just took the last 15-minute high. I want some expansion higher. If we don't get it, then it's just a shoddy market.
Yeah. $10.20, okay. Maybe 10.30 will offer something, like normal 10.30 can be reversal. But, okay, 3-minute chart.
What's wild in is that like there's literally no FEGs to the upside or the downside, pretty much. It's how you know it's not great price action.
And once again, no closure above New York midnight open.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Do you trade post FOMC price action?
Yeah, I typically do.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I notice I never trade AM session, like most of the time, like I don't trade this.
Yeah.
And I trade post FOMC. Yeah.
It certainly is a high resistance move up higher right now. What does chat think? Is it going to be choppy? Or is this long going to work out? Am I going to get stop, drop, break even? Let me know. Let me know.
I hope it's going to play out
I'm
for
going
you.
to go like smooth highs here. Smooth highs. Forgot what midnight opens here. I forgot what I was doing here. I think there was like an extension level that I was looking at like 720s, just took the extension of the push down lower.
I believe
The
720
other
is like
side, let's
pre-market
see.
high.
What's up?
It's pre-market high at 720.
Yeah, it's also 0.5 extension level.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll
okay.
put it like 7, a little tiny bit lower, like 716s. It's like the 0.5 extension level of that push lower that took out London low.
Oops.
What does chat think? What does chat think? What's happening? Can we get a spool?
I hope so.
I said, did bunny ears
SPX,
help you trade? Should we they're deer antlers. Duh. Should we match?
of
I have
course.
them. It's the ones I wore last
Why
year.
even asking? Of course.
They're antlers.
Yay.
It's been like 20 minutes since I entered this trade.
Wow. Like SPX like
Yes,
has
still
room
not
to go higher.
Yeah.
SPX, yeah, has room to go higher, but I don't like how ES trying to respect New York midnight open already. Like how many times? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Wow.
Yeah. So I'm just holding this at break even. Like pretty ugly.
Mm-hmm.
Ruh-roh.
I'm not going to lie. If it was like normal price action, like PM session without this chap before, I would short ES. But
why not? Why not
I
now?
mean,
Because
I'm not sure. Yeah, where to put stop loss, because we
yeah,
keep
because the
weakening
thing
off
is,
New
like,
York
all
Midnight
those
Open.
wicks, they're also like kind of equal highs.
I just feel like if I'm going to like short, I mean, I don't mind to short right now, I'm not going to lie, but I feel like I'm going to just chase the price simply because I have no idea where to put stop.
I mean, yeah, this could be after the failure of NASDAQ trying to take out last 15-minute high. It's no expansion. It could end up coming back down again. I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. It came like 2 points short of my break even there. Kind of like a last line in the sand there for NASDAQ. It's like 50% of this wick or a 30-second FEG here.
Someone asked me to take off the glasses. It's hard because, guys, I'm blind with my left eye. It's hard for me. Yeah.
Why are they telling you to take off your glasses? Don't be weird in the chat.
Yeah. I mean,
I thought I was going to hit my break even just now. What the heck? 22. What's this low? One tick before it. It probably is.
Oh, it's better break even than stop loss in this consolidation, you know?
What'd you say?
It's better break even than stop loss in this job.
I know, yeah. Thing is, I wanted to expand already, so. Okay, well, stop break even there. What to do, chat? I don't know. Tried those longs. Mad choppy ES, like we said, failed to get back above midnight open many, many times there. I'm not going to force much. You like to look at the 2-minute, right?
Or 3-minute chart. Come on, Apex. We need 99% off sale with this price action. Time to blow account. Yeah, it's really like account blowing price action.
Is that what you said? It's account blowing price action. Yeah.
Yeah.
You get 99% off sale from Apex.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be nice? Let's say ES comes back above midnight open. What would you target?
But I believe like first TP London high and then just runner. I don't know.
Then there's trailing basically. Yeah, because it's real rough because these are pretty jagged highs here. I think this is the most annoying price action because it's like, yeah, you get stopped out break even and then it just pops up, what, like 20 points, but you cannot get enticed to get back into the same trade because there's a reason why I put my stop at break even there, right?
Yeah, that was hard.
I don't want NASDAQ to fool me. I ain't a fool. But you said that you would be sort of interested in ES shorts. I mean, yeah, we paused at midnight open. NASDAQ didn't take the previous daily low. I mean, NASDAQ failed this midnight high. See what it does here on like there's a 2-minute. Oh no, there's no 2-minute FEG. That's how gross price action's been. We have like 2 1-minutes here. See what it does here. Does this hold up? I could see this maybe holding, and then someone could scalp to this low or something. But you're trading in chop, so it's tough.
What's the name of SMT indicator? I'm going to send you a link if I can send this in the chat. 1 second. I have perfect indicator for SMT. I'm okay to use indicators. Like lots of people hate me for this. I'm like, wow.
Really? Why?
Like, here's perfect. I don't know. Like, what's wrong with indicators? I mean, if it really helps you, like, what's wrong with them?
No?
I sent link in the chat. This indicator, like, really nice one.
Yeah. Cool, you guys. I made $55 today.
Wow. It's like 40 hot dogs at Costco. I mean, like.
No. Yeah, no. Yes, starting to drop off there.
Yeah.
Definitely ugly. Nasdaq is holding its bearish FEGs. You know, that's why I don't like. It's like when the 1 minute's kind of separated like this, and then you go to the 2 minute thinking it's going to combine. There's just no FEG on the 2 minutes. So it's like you really aren't getting direction in both sides, because what is a FEG? It's an imbalance, it's a displacement. So it just shows it's a lot of chop we're getting.
Bless you.
Thank you. Yeah, my trade basically went to like 1 hour about when I took out this little high, and so I'm happy with just having a break even after that. It was mostly because it was a last 15 minute high here, and yeah, there was 930. Wanted it to have some displacement actually. I mean, if you have a accumulation, manipulation, distribution, you want the distribution to be fast. Right? We had like accumulation and then manipulation and then back up. This part should be fast, not as long as the accumulation part. So
The trading below 10 a.m. open, like it's another bearish sign. As I said, I would short this, but really like not a fan of this price action.
What is this? 10 a.m. open. Yeah, ES below 10 a.m. open. Nasdaq now. Chat, did you guys take a trade? Let me know. Maybe someone took the long but just scalped it. Maybe someone took the short that we had highlighted here. And that's why you don't get back in after you get stopped at break even. Like, look at that drop. Okay, so I mean, well, do you guys think that Nasdaq will get to previous day low now?
I think so. Like, it does not make any sense not to take this level, you know?
Yeah. Back in that first presented FEG, but it's not looking pretty. It's not. Stop losses save lives, people. Let's see chat. What'd you guys do? Someone said, yeah, they took the short. Nice. They closed their long at the top in profit. Nice job. They're short. No trade until Fed rates, waiting for FOMC. Yeah, it's a responsible thing. But now, actually, someone in the chat, news 2593 said in all caps, I'm going to YOLO the news, 1 minute candle, wish me luck. All right, good luck, brother.
Yeah, it's a good like point once again. As you can see, we never closed above New York midnight open. Like, it's always great sign on ES and NQ. That's probably till you trace again lower or higher, depends on the direction.
Yeah, if that's like where the candle started and we're having a nice
Exactly.
bullish day, then we're not going to have much stalling there at all.
Yes.
But yeah, this price action is pretty indicative of FOMC. The morning of FOMC makes sense. It's pretty choppy.
Yeah. But I'm not going to lie, ES was easier to read than NQ. On NQ, it was like hard to say if it's going to drop or not. But on ES, I would say it was like a bit easier to understand.
Yeah. Like what are you marking out? Like the 2-minute OB on ES or what exactly?
Actually, 5-minute dollar block. And we got the closure on 5-minute chart below 10 a.m. open. Like it was second strong confirmation of drop. That's why I said I would like to short.
Okay, so at 10:25 essentially.
Yeah. Yes, exactly.
The 10:25 candle close.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, that's when things then started not looking so good. Yeah, because I said, and that was perfect for me to put my stop at break even. I mean,
Yeah, that was smart.
We gave you the signals to no, I'm just joking. But no, yeah, it's helpful because if it just keeps stalling, I mean, stalled 7 times, you said?
Yeah.
No,
7.
yeah, Nasdaq's they're just take new low day. Not yet. Really
It's
close,
trying. I
though.
hope it's going to take this.
People's hopes and dreams getting hurt right now on the long side, yeah. But honestly, yeah, if you're gonna trade the morning of FOMC, you got to be nimble. Either take the 1 hour scalp, or you just put your stop at break even pretty quickly. Oh, Apex actually has a 90% off sale going on right now. So you asked for it. They just came out with it.
Also, another good tip that I'm going to share. I noticed when ES, and then same idea, but if ES closing below OT, bullish OT, that also can be short opportunity. Like we about to close below 70.5% of this OT, it can be like third confirmation that we will go lower.
I said longs are in a small drawdown. Tanya trades, LOL. I don't know. It depends where they longed it. I doubt that they longed it here. Or below the midpoint open.
What is SMT indicator? I'm going to send link in the chat. And let me know if you can see link, because sometimes YouTube blocks links. 1 second. Can you see link here? I just sent this.
No, YouTube blocks the link. Let me put type anything and I'll make you like a mod.
Okay.
Type hi or something.
I'm going to send the link, guys. 1 second.
Okay.
Let me try again.
Try now.
Oh, yeah. Can you see link right now?
Yeah.
Perfect. Here's the link for SMT indicator. I'm going to send you a link for high from candles if you need this. Also free. It's all free indicators, guys. And here's the link for high from candles. You can just change the settings, like colors. Previous day low taken on NQ. Finally.
No, not yet.
Not yet?
No. Took like new low of day, not previous day low on my chart.
Oh yeah, I have run level. Yeah, my bad. Where's my pointer? Oh, it's over here. Okay. Yeah, we took 9 a.m. Low. Yeah, previous day low level is drawn liquidity. Didn't take this yet, so hope it's going to take this. Seems like we inverted. Was it first presented? Yeah, we inverted first presented fair value gap. It's interesting to read your chat. Someone saying like it's going lower, it's going higher.
Yeah, a lot of people in the chat actually like to say what their trades are. Someone asked me, like, what's with the signal trades in the chat? I don't know. People like to say what they're in, I guess. I mean, I'm glad stop loss to save lives. Like, yeah, it didn't want to expand there. We dropped way lower. Now what? I don't know. We didn't get to that previous daily low yet. Let's see if we get a retracement on NASDAQ in
I hope so. Oops.
Would you short that then?
Yeah, if it's going to retrace to OT, $3 million block can be continuation setup. So yeah, definitely.
OT, okay.
It's somewhere here, like near 68, 46, 48.
Okay. Yeah, so you're drawing it from the top there.
So basically from here.
3-minute, yeah. Yeah, that's what I would do as well. Where's the 3-minute? Is that the 3-minute?
Yeah, that's 3-minute chart.
Oh, okay. Got you.
And back to the range. Well. Look at for a chart, like ugly.
I know. If you look at the 4-hour hourly, it's like, damn.
I'm like, what a trade. What advice?
Word. What do you trade macros?
It's like I don't really understand macros, because in my opinion, if setup is here, is going to play out like during macro or outside this time. Like I don't really understand macros, to be honest. So like all ICT traders going to hate me right now.
Yeah, I think like all of 10 a.m. is typically just a good trading window.
Yeah, because it's new hourly candle, it's new 4-hour candle.
Yeah.
That's why we have like some displacement between 10 and 11. Exactly same for example, for silver bull during PM session. Like it's new 4-hour candle. That's why we have displacement during like PM silver bullet.
We gotta see what's going on here.
Come on, Q, just previous the low level. We are not asking too much. Just drop there. Yeah.
And what's the range of the whole day so far? I feel like it's quite small. Actually,
Around like 15 points. Yes.
Since the open, the range for the NASDAQ has been 108 points. All right. Are you always waiting for OT?
Yeah, most of the time, especially on yes. Like on NQ, not always we can get OT, but on yes, like always.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. I'm not kidding. Like Apex running 90% off right now?
No, yeah, it is.
I mean, what? I should get
They
some
heard us
vowels, I
out.
guess.
They heard us out. Like it's running at 90% off sale
That's
for the
funny.
holidays.
What is activation fee? I have 20 funded accounts with Apex, but I don't want to get the vowels.
You don't want to get a what?
Evaluations. I want to have some evaluations to trade garbage price action.
Yeah. That's always a good thing to do.
Yeah.
Have like some evals, just like you know that it's low probability, and then you want to take the trade anyway.
It didn't say like what kind of activation fee. I don't want to buy if it's like really expensive activation fee. Like it doesn't make sense. And
they typically do the sale, and they do an activation fee sale. Let's see. Lifetime PA fees are for 25, 50K, 100K. It's the range is from $65 to $84. Oh wait, for all in actually, for all together. So actually, activation fee is like. Oh, so all evals are now 90% off, and they're all of them are $19.60.
oh, it's then fine, I guess, to try because I passed, I guess, with the same deal. My previous Apex accounts, yeah. Yeah, Apex knew it's going to be garbage price action.
Is okay, so the lifetime PA fee for the 25K, 50K, and 100Ks are $65. So it's a $19.60 for the eval, and then $65 for the activation. And then for the 150K, 250K, 300K, they're also cost $19.60, but it's a $125 PA fee.
I'm gonna get some then. It's worth it.
Yeah, I mean, like, yeah. It's all in $84. It's cheap. Even with the activation. Then like it's $19 for the evals.
Look at this reversal on ES. Yes, what are you doing? We cannot understand this, please.
Now it's at your OTE though.
Yeah, we're at OT right now. But really trying to go through this so far.
Yes, are you waiting for this 3-minute to close?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and if it's going to offer 3-minute order block, I will try to short with stop loss above 10 AM open.
If it
for example,
are you gonna wait for it to yeah.
It is going to, I'm not sure about target, to be honest, because it's really hard to say. But if it's going to close like below this level on 3-minute chart, I will try to short.
And you're gonna wait for it to close below that. Okay.
Yeah, closure below, and I will close the trade once and Q takes previously low level if it's going to present this opportunity.
Okay, so you're not gonna just go straight in on that short because we've as you've seen, like, it can just blow those equal highs right away.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Oops.
Yeah, that was quite the candle. The last 3-minute candle NASDAQ. Damn. Swept the new low day. Swept the low of the session. NASDAQ without getting to previous day low.
Just once again, feels like in Q right now it reversed from nowhere. Like I cannot say like 9 AM liquidity level was like important to reverse from. So
What's like the shaded block that you have on NASDAQ? Is that the first presented FEG?
Yeah.
Okay.
As I said, I didn't know how to use this like properly. I was trying to watch some videos. For example, we got an inversion, then we got like a reclaimed fair value gap, then we inverted this again. I mean, really, I don't understand. It always happens when I'm looking at this.
Action, pretty much. The fact that it came back on there, yeah. If on like a good clean day, we'll I'll have just respected it and never come back. Like if it came back again above, it's just another confirmation, basically. Kind of like if then we broke above midnight open, you have a bunch of other things, then maybe you could put your low there, you know. Let's see.
Now NQ is going to take previously low level. And let's see if it's going to close below the levels I mentioned before.
Word. What does chat think? Crazy price action. What did you just say? It closed above. It's closing. It might close below the 3 minute. Yeah.
Yeah. Like 20 seconds left.
So then you just go straight in, right?
Because yeah, I might try if like
focus on a
I mean, you know, is this a problem? Maybe NQ is going to take previously low levels and like doesn't make sense to short anymore.
I don't think it will in the next 10 seconds, but it does look crazy. I think you got time.
Okay, we got the closure. Come on, ninjas. Let's see. I'm going to connect Tradify accounts to trade
Sounds
this.
Good.
Tradify. I have this evals that they need to pass. So we got the closure in Q kind of approaching this level. The problem is if I'm going to engage right now, what level I want to aim for since we're about to take previously low level on NQ.
Yeah, we're still like 20 points away from it. So it could hit it and then wherever level you're at, you get out.
I kind of like this opportunity here. But target is not guaranteed, like really.
There you go. NASDAQ at previous day low. Woo. Fast little puke.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hit the like button if you ended up taking the short. Also hit the like button if you guys want us to do a giveaway. I do have some Apex accounts that we can give away today.
I'm in the short. I'm still holding. I know I'm going to trail to break even, I guess.
Sounds good.
First trade on indices. I have a 49 inches monitor, so unfortunately I cannot show an India trader because it's not, you'll not be able to see this. I have no idea about target on ES, simply because my target was previously level in Q.
Woohoo!
So I don't know about TP, honestly. I'm in with 2 contracts.
Did you say your stops at break even now?
Yeah, just I don't know. I mean, like we will see.
The low. Did you say we'll see?
Yeah, we will see. I'm going to take partial. I mean, I didn't take any partials yet. And it's either break even or like I'm going to take partial, I guess, at Monday low, one
Okay.
contract.
Got
I
you. But you're trailing
going to,
break
yeah,
even.
and I'm going to trail. I can keep trailing lower. Really hard to say about like TP on ES simply because TP on NQ was previously low level.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't take any partials so far, just really like sitting in this trade. 68.35 is going to be TP number one. Yeah, if it's going to hit. 1 second. One contract. Put sell limit there and just going to trail stop loss if it's going to drop there. Maybe it's going to hit like break even. We're gonna see. And I will be fine with break even simply because TP was previous day low level on NQ.
Mm-hmm.
But it was up like 2 points. It didn't make sense to close.
Alrighty. Why does Tanya look so uninterested? Someone said, wow, getting flamed by the chat is crazy when I'm looking to set up a giveaway for you guys.
Someone
Unappreciated.
asked if I'm Russian. I'm half Russian. Someone asked me if I'm Russian. I speak Russian with my family. My dad is Russian. My mom from Belarus. Like I'm half Russian, half a Belarusian.
Cool.
Oops. Still in this trade. Let's see if it's going to hit my TP number one at 68.35.25. If so, that's going to be nice. If not, then it's also going to be nice. Basically, partial set at like around like 10 points. Okay, we will see. I didn't see a lot, to be honest, on SPX, but we're trying to respect sell area here, so we definitely can try to take this low again. I think so.
What is the Apex current activation fee? For the 25, 50K, 100K, it's $65. So, and it's $19.60 to buy the account. So it's $84.60 all in.
Someone said in the chat, I don't understand how people pick position size right before the trade. Okay, I would say it depends on market conditions and how much you're willing to risk in these market conditions. So, for example, you want to risk only $100, but you really see setup. So you're going to like pick position size based on this. Guys, my partial taken just right now. So yeah, it's smart to do this. So for example, you see setup and that's clearly perfect setup. Yeah, I took this one. I said it's just unfortunately I cannot show Ninja Trader because I have 49 inches monitor. I will not be able to show this somehow. Like it's impossible. Unfortunately. We will figure this out because like if it was OBS, it was easier for me. So I just going to take screenshots.
I mean,
but I'm in
it's
this
no problem.
trade.
People just want to see it. Like we said, we outlined the shorts exactly. So, and we said exactly when it happened. So it's the same thing.
My TP number one, as I said, like Monday loaded test, and I'm going to just trail my stop loss. I'm not sure about final TP. Not Belarus. Yeah, you're right about this. So as I said before, idea of this trade was if it's going to retrace to OT and will close, like will offer 3-minute OB, I will try with stop loss above 10 a.m. open and will aim for, I didn't really have target. I was looking for target on NQ. But yeah, idea was, like, sometimes it's really hard to explain. Like sometimes intuition really helps me with trades. But idea here, like we got potential 30-minute sweep. It was continuation setup, basically candle 3 continuation. 3-minute OB, stop loss, 10 a.m. open.
And here's like we're near that Monday low now, right?
Yeah, we hit this.
We're
It's my
at it.
TP
We're
number
at
1.
it. Sounds good.
Yeah. It hit my TP number 1. And I'm just letting this run. I'm going to trail stop loss. Oops, 1 second. I'm going to take screenshots. It's going to be easier for you to see. I guess it's 5-minute short, but same idea. I put final TP at current like a low, which is over here at 68.30.75. I have no idea if it's going to like go there, but I hope so. You flat? I mean, I'm going to like, it's another target left. Contract left. We will see.
All right.
I'm going to trail stop loss right now lower. Basically at this candle high at 68.40. Let's see if it's going to, it's about to hit final TP. I hope it's going to hit. Like sometimes, yes, loves to reverse a couple of points away from like liquidity level, but still. I wish I shorted from here where I wanted initially, but that's fine.
Woohoo! Well, we got ES new low of day. All right, so I'm gonna put the giveaway link in the chat.
Oh, giveaway.
But you are gonna have to we're gonna give it away at the end of the stream, and you'll have to be in the chat to claim it.
Mm-hmm.
One entry per user. Make sure you put your YouTube username, whatever it says in the @ symbol, because that's what it says in the YouTube chat. And we will have my assistant Castillo also monitor chat. Andrea, in about, we'll choose it in about 10 minutes or so, or less.
So let's see if it's going to stop my run here at break even. It's slightly in profit, but I got 10 points on this trade, which is not bad.
Nice.
Like, yeah, inside this garbage.
Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Right, all right. Once the stream hits 750 likes, we'll get started on the giveaway.
Guys, who is in short right now? Where's your TP? If you don't mind me to ask, just interesting. Were you out already?
Micah Mill asks, I use Tradeovate with pretty much almost all my prop firms because then you could easily copy trade them.
This keyword is going to be around like 1.5 R. I mean, I already took partial, but final TP is set at 68.75. That's final TP. It was like close, but once again, trying to divorce. Someone trying to short in Q, target at 521. What do you have at 521? Because I have nothing.
Yeah, I still use.
I was only aiming for previous day low level on NQ. I really don't have targets lower, at least for IM session, I would say.
All right.
$400, it's... What do you have at 400? It seems like I don't have levels on NQ. Like, since I stopped trading NQ, I don't really have liquidity levels there. I see it's liquidity, I got it.
Someone asked me, how do I calculate pips and risk management? I use the TradingView RR tool. So like, let's see this. You can easily set up long and then double click it, put how much you want to risk here in the count size. I just put 100%, or you could put, 150K account, 150K here, and then 1% risk, whatever you want to do. And lot size is 1 and 1 for ES or NASDAQ. And then literally as you're dragging your stop, right, you see it changes the quantity you need to take. So here it says 1.042, so that would be 1 mini or 10 micros. And then if it's less than 1 mini, then you got to go the microwave. Let's say it's like this. You see 1.8, so you go 18 micros. Or if it's like a wider stop like this, it says 0.65, so then I would go 6 micros. That's pretty much it. Just take a screenshot of that if you want. Just all you gotta do, put how much you want to risk here.
I learned how to use this probably like 2 months ago. I never knew like you have this option.
I learned that from T-Trades actually.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah, pretty easy.
So my right stop at break even, that's fine. Still good trade.
Sounds good. You just got stopped at break even.
Slightly.
Cool. All right. We do have 750 likes here, so we will get started on the wheel and the giveaway. All right, who's ready? Hit the like button if you are ready for that. I'm excited.
Yep.
Here we go. Let me share my screen now. Let me pose for the camera. We're both wearing reindeer.
You like it, guys?
Pose for the camera. That proves that we are two different people. Okay. All right. Let's open that up.
I don't have plan anymore. Like really.
So what we're gonna do is take all of everyone who entered. So let's go all the way down. Make sure it's on the screen too. Okay, cool. I gotta get a sound effect going here, like the drum roll.
Actually, like someone said, we need to trade together at least once a week. I agree. We can trade together. I like,
Yeah, why not?
I like to trade. Yeah, I like to trade
Having
with
another person is
someone.
pretty good, keeps you accountable.
Yeah, I like it so much. So
Yeah,
definitely we can
like at
try to
first
do
I didn't
this.
know until like then I started getting paired up with Jade Cap on Ninja Trader. All right. What are we up to? So we have how many entries here? Over 300 entries. Let's go. First person. Click to win. Bum ba da dum.
And
Crawful Persona 1576. Comment in the chat to claim your prize. We'll give away
yeah.
5 accounts today, and then I'll give away another 5 later this week. All right. Let's see. Checking the this week. Checking. Can I recopy and paste? I'll recopy and paste. How many do I have here? To let you guys join in here. Okay. Remove the person, the winner. Recopied and pasted. Yep. Number 2, winner number 2. Castillo did the first person answer, by the way. Winner number 2 is Larry Uchiha 839. Larry, living like Larry. Type something in the chat. All right. Castillo, did you see them in the chat? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, the first person, Prasanon God is. Okay, so we're waiting on Larry. Let's spin the third person in the meantime. Winner number 3. Oh, Larry is here. Great. Winner number 3 is Lucky B Bull. You are lucky today. There you go. Ida, type something in the chat, and I will be emailing you guys your specific code to redeem for the Apex account, whichever one you want. It will work on any of them. All right. Number 3. 2 more. Let's see. Winner number 4 is I0890 knee. Type something in the chat if you are here, Aldrin. Okay, Lucky Beeble is here. Congrats, Lucky Beeble. You were lucky today. No, they mean like to use the wheel to get people to do the giveaway. You just copy and paste them in this wheel thing. It's fun. And you spin to win. Spin to win.
I use
last one. What do you use?
I use Nightbot for giveaway.
Okay. Synapse 01I is the last winner here. Panicorn. All right. So we got waiting on the last 2 to claim. Okay. The last one did claim 10888990 knee. You claimed it. You're good. And we're just waiting on Synapse to say something. Type anything in the chat. And let's see. You hear? Synapse. There we go. Great job, Castillo, moderating the chat. We got all 5 winners here. Congrats to the winners, and we will be doing more giveaways this week as well. We still have more to give away. So hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure you hit the like button. And thank you,
Yeah.
Lumi, for joining
Thank you
us
so
today.
much.
We'll be also on her channel maybe next week, did you say?
Yeah, let's do next week
Okay,
on my
great.
channel. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Really, really a lot going on this morning.
Yeah, I like it. Like it's always nice experience for me to talk with other traders to compare their opinions because I used to trade alone and I
Yeah.
really like to trade with someone to compare opinions. Like, what
Yeah,
is your bias? What you see here, especially ICT traders.
totally. I mean, yeah, where
Yeah.
I got stopped out of my a break even, it was developing a bearish setup. And I'm
Mhm.
sure some people ended up taking that bearish setup and then,
Yeah.
had confirmation there for retracement and
Mhm.
had more follow through. So that was pretty nice. And yeah, it was helpful because you mentioning like how ES kept pausing at midnight open helped
Yeah.
you stay nimble, basically.
Mhm.
Yeah, great day. We have FOMC later on today, you guys. Let me know in the chat if I should stream that. If we should.
Yeah, I will.
You
I mean,
will
I have
be?
no choice. Yeah,
Great.
I'm going to try to trade. Not trade,
Yeah.
at least steam this one.
Okay. And if you see something good, obviously trade. Honestly, I expect the afternoon to be better than this. All in all, we're
Yeah.
still kind of in ES. It's quite the range. And yeah, thank you for joining Lumi. And make sure you guys check out Lumi's info is in the description. Check her out
Thank
on
you so much.
YouTube, Lumitraders, and on X, Lumi.
Thank you
And
so much, guys.
we'll see you guys next time.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.